We're going on a cruise tomorrow, and I did something that I often do before I go on a cruise. I ordered some different Amazon travel essentials to my hotel room. I'm going to show you the first items that I bought in 2025, and this includes a couple of absolutely genius items and one thing that people in this community have been asking me about for well over a year. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you 11 new Amazon travel essentials. I've got mostly travel items, but I do have a couple of fashion items as well. So before I get started, I did want to mention that if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. Now, by the way, thank you for your patience, as I do have a little puppy in the background that you're going to see perhaps during this video. So my apologies, but thank you. So I did want to start off with the first item that I have. Now, I have tried some different straw bags from Amazon over the last year, and a couple were kind of cute, but none of them were the kind of quality that this one is. Now, I have a straw bag that I have purchased when I was in Barcelona. I absolutely love it, but it's been really hard to find a nice straw bag here that is durable, that has a zipper or some sort of closing. So this one does, and that actually has straps that I don't know if these are leather. I think that they might be, but in any case, they feel like leather if they aren't. I'm going to actually check the description on Amazon, but I love this. I'm going to bring it up a little bit closer. It feels like it's a good quality. It's super cute. So if you're looking for a tote bag to go on your cruise or to wear in ports, it is very cute. And like I mentioned, what I really like is, sorry, I've got stuff in it, is this zipper, because it's a little bit of my pet peeve with some of the basket bags, the straw ones. If they don't have a zipper, I don't really want to bring it into port, if you know what I mean. Anyway, I'm going to leave all of the items that I'm going to show you in this video linked down below in the description of the video in case you do want to check them out. All right, next up, I have a sunglass holder. Now, I don't know about you, but oftentimes I find that I am bringing 3 pairs of sunglasses when I travel. Now, that's why I bought this one. It has space for 1, 2, 3. There are others that have space for 4 and even 5 pairs of glasses. So I have 1 pair of glasses here. I have 2 other ones. I think I have one in my beach bag and the other one in the car. So I'll put them in a little bit later, but super handy for, you know, just even when packing and putting everything together. Now, I love a good portable charger. This one is really smart because it's got all of these built-in cables for different types of devices. So whether you have the iPhone 16, which my husband now has, it's got a cable for that and a little plug. You know, whether you have, you know, an iPhone 14 like I do, and this also plugs right into the wall. So really handy to charge this up. And the best part is that it is fast charging. And I kind of like this. You've got a little handle as well. Now, if you've seen my videos in the past, you're going to know that this is my favorite aloe vera. And I'm Canadian, and there are things that I cannot buy on Amazon.ca, even though I like Amazon wherever I am. There are some specific things that are either only available in the US or they are much less expensive when I purchase them in the US. So that's my little travel hack, is when I'm coming to the US, I do have an Amazon.com account and I do order to my hotel. What I usually do is let the hotel know that I am going to be ordering some packages. It has only been one time that they actually did charge me, I think, $7 to collect a package, but otherwise there's been no charge. So it has been super helpful for me. So this is, I think, the best aloe vera gel ever. And you don't have to bring the entire bottle with you on a cruise. You could, you know, put it into those little smaller travel containers. That's going to work too. But this one does not get sticky. It is incredibly effective and it is organic. Now, speaking of things that are on Amazon.com, you may have seen this item. It's the airplane pocket. And basically what you do is you put it over the tray in the airplane at your seat, and then you've got this, you know, these pockets here. And this way what you do when you're in your seat is you can put your different items right in these pockets, and you can avoid putting, you know, your things right into those pockets where people put Kleenexes and all sorts of things. And let's face it, they are not going to be very clean. Now, I have seen this on YouTube. I've seen this on TikTok. I've seen this everywhere. I've been wanting to buy it, but truthfully, it was like significantly more buying it when I was in Canada. So I did buy it when I was in the United States. I did not fly this time. We drove. So I will be flying in about 6 weeks. So I am going to be using this. Please let me know if you have tried this item before. How have you liked it? Please let me know down in the comments below. Water activated hand towels. Now, I have seen these also really good for traveling. I don't know if you actually need them as much for a cruise, but definitely if you're traveling to and from a cruise by airplane or even by car, sometimes you do want to have a towel handy. Now, what I did is I put it in the water. Let me show you how small these are. These look sort of like, I guess, a large pill size. So really very thin, very small. And then when you put them into water, they end up being this size. So, you know, if you want to freshen up during a long travel in the airport, in the airplane, in the car, and I guess even on the cruise, you know, or maybe on an excursion, it is water activated. So it is very handy. Oh, and by the way, I did buy a few different dresses. So this is one of the dresses that I bought. And you know how they say if you buy a dress and you really like it, then what do you do next? You buy it in different colors. So I actually bought this dress in pink a couple of months ago. I really, really like it. It's so comfortable. It's got pockets, very comfy, and you can wear it a couple of different ways. In this case, I am wearing it the opposite of the way that is shown on Amazon. I just kind of like it better with a regular neckline, but you can also wear it crisscross style so that this crisscrosses instead of being crisscrossed in the back, and you get a completely different look. Now, I did buy it in pink. I bought it in blue, so just right now. And I bought this design too because I did really think that this is great for like a beach vacation, a resort, or of course a cruise. Now, I'm not going to show you other dresses that I did buy. I am going to show you that in an upcoming video, but if you are interested in any of the dresses that I have, I'm going to link a blog post as well down below that has all of my favorite Amazon dresses linked in there. Okay, so I have this already, but I did buy another one. Sometimes I either lose them or I give them away, or I even just have in my house. I keep these little pill containers, organizers. I keep them in different levels of my house as well, so that we just always have aspirin, Tylenol, Advil, maybe some Tums, etc. So I bought a new one for this cruise. Now I do have one new item as well that I think you're really going to like. It has been very requested. Now, in keeping with a couple of practical items that I just ordered, and I often do order when I'm going on a cruise, so a travel razor, this one here, and of course you can pick it up just anywhere, but I have picked it up on Amazon. And the other one is Bonin or Bonin, depending on how you pronounce it. Now, a lot of times people ask me, where can I get this? Now, you can oftentimes find this like at a local Walgreens or Walmart or, you know, that kind of thing. I don't know that it's available in every country, but it is available in the United States. So what I do is I buy a couple of packages at least, and I sort of stock up and then I bring it back home. I almost forgot. I bought an Quiet. I almost forgot I bought a new charger. This is for Frank's phone because he got the 16. And this is the iWalk. I love iWalk for how practical it is. The only problem is, unfortunately, with the 16, well, it is a little bit of a different, you know, outlet. So in any case, we did need a new iWalk. And so Frank has that one. And by the way, I love the iWalks because they're so convenient. You can plug this right to the bottom of your phone. You could use it at the same time. So it does make it really practical for on the go. I'm never caught without a phone charger. Okay, so I did want to show you this. Now, some of you know that I have the origami tote bag from Nomad Lane. I love it. It is truthfully the best travel bag that I have ever pad. And by the way, this part here, it zippers at the bottom to create like a pocket in here, But if you don't want to use it as a pocket, you could actually have that go right over your luggage. It's got a lot of different compartments, great organization. I can keep my laptop and iPad in here, and it's actually extremely roomy. However, if you are looking for something similar to the Nomad Lane, and I still love that one, by the way, and I'll leave a link along with a 10% discount code down below if you are interested in either the Nomad Lane Origami Tote, the sling bag, fabulous, or of course the bento bag. But I did want to show you something that I found, and this was on Amazon. So if you don't want to spend as much as the Nomad Lane one, this is a really nice one that has a lot of similarities. So you can see this can still go over your luggage handle. You've got your compartments here, so you've got room for a computer here. It's also very roomy. So if you are looking for, you know, still a good quality tote bag, and this is great really for travel, especially, you know, you want to have that zippered up and you want something really roomy that is a good personal bag. I'm going to link this one as well. This is from Amazon down below. I almost forgot to show you this. So this is a little travel perfume atomizer. And I've actually had this at home for probably about 3 years, and I've tried it before. And I just thought it doesn't work very well, but it turned out I wasn't using it properly. So I did actually fill this up. So if you're a perfume user, you might want to get these. I think they're absolutely genius. So what you do is there's this little part at the bottom. You take this little part and you put it on top of your perfume bottle. You just remove the cover. You just kind of push it down a few times, and you'll be able to see how full it is from here. And honestly, this is so good. It has not leaked, and if you want to bring your favorite perfume on a cruise, this is it. So I'm going to leave all of the items that I mentioned in this video linked down below in the description of this video. Please let me know if you'd like to see another video with fashion finds and dresses, and yes, I will have a couple of items for men as well. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now, and happy cruising.